Hello my jellyfish. Today we are doing a look that I have sketched out and drawn myself. I do that from time to time. Do you guys want me to share my face sheets with you? Because I will. I'm just going to take this makeup off and begin painting the sections of my skin. Different colors. We're doing a stitched together look today for the contest for Makeup Incorporated, which is ran by La 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 Baba, and I don't think that's how you say her name. And Gabby on TikTok. If you are on YouTube, go check that platform out. They're really cool and they run cool contests. And if you like makeup videos, it might be something you're interested in. But without further ado, let's take this eyeliner, these brows off and actually just block them out. I'll be back when scratch that. I can have brows with this look, so yay! I am just going to finish wiping off this and drying my face, and then we'll do blue, pink, yellow, green, white, purple, and orange with the airbrush. And I'm not going to talk through any of that. We're just going to kind of section yourself off. So if you're new to the airbrushing, I recommend using the lightest colors to the darkest. So we're going to do white, yellow, orange, green, pink, purple, then blue. To be for real, I may not airbrush the yellow because, again, I don't like the way that paint smells. If someone has a better yellow airbrush paint, please let me know. This is the one I use. This one smells like batucas. Vile. Just absolutely vile. I don't know. Y'all got to reformulate your yellow. If you're watching this custom body art, reformulate this. I have bought 2 and they smell awful. Awful. Okay, so I have my airbrush out and I'm going to do white, and then I'm going to do this yellow shade, orange, and I think we do green next. But first we're going to fan it because that orange didn't want to dry. We're going to do the green, the blue, the purple, and then we're going to come back and do the pink. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that all dries before we do anything else. Okay, now for each of these colors, I am going to go in and set it with a little bit of a lighter version of the color to kind of contour a little bit. Some people might say, why do you do that? You airbrushed your colors. It makes it look better and smoother on camera. So we're just going to do that now. Pigments and setting those colors with a little bit more vibrant shades, and going in and doing some shading and contouring with a little bit darker shades. You can kind of see what I'm doing there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes too. Here I'm going to add some pink glitter to this eye and some blue glitter to this eye and just do a smoked out look. I'm going to start working on the orange, which is going to be a lemon slice, and then the sun, which is going to be the pink, because the pink is not pinking the way that I want, but it's fine. We're still going to make it work. But I'm going to go ahead and just start drawing those, and then I might go back in to make that glitter a little bit more prominent at the end. But I'm going to do the suns first. I'm going to let those dry, and then I'm going to go in and do the little pieces off of the sun. You know, the little rays, that's what they're called, and add little sunglasses. So I'm going to just turn my fan on. So I just went ahead and filled those in, and then I set them with a yellow shadow, and then I used a little dotting tool to make some little black sunglasses and a little smile, and that is all of that. And then we're going to jump into doing the lemon slices on the orange here in just a second. Just using different shades of yellow, we're going to go ahead and fill that in. I used, and oh, we're doing the palm trees apparently too, and filling in the pink flamingos and the watermelon and some starfish. This is a little chaotic, sorry about it. Just adding in a little bit of detail with some paint and shadow here to make everything look a little bit more 3D-ish. Working on those lemon slices. Oh, and we added some orange creamsicles as well. And we're almost finished with this look. Now that this is all done, and don't worry, I'm going to put on a black wig with this. I'm going to add some eyeliner, lips, mascara, and do the stitching, and I'll be back. The stitching takes forever, but here's just a little snippet of what I was doing with it. Alright, this is my finished look. We have pool floaties, sunshines with glasses, watermelons, some palm trees, some little popsicles, some starfish, and some lemons. I'll see you guys later. Bye!